Welcome to Edge 21's weekly Bitcoin news recap, your go-to source for the top 5 trending Bitcoin news stories of the week. If you're passionate about Bitcoin, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Edge 21 for your latest updates on all things Bitcoin. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5. The National Bank of Bahrain, known as NBB, has made history with the launch of a first-of-its-kind Bitcoin investment fund in the Gulf Cooperation Council region. This significant move, covered by Bolu Watife Adeyemi for CoinGate, is designed to provide accredited investors with direct exposure to Bitcoin. Bahrain is already one of the largest Bitcoin holders globally, and this fund marks a major step forward for Bitcoin adoption in the Middle East. NBB has partnered with ARP Digital to make this possible, blending capital protection with the exciting growth potential of Bitcoin. As NBB's Group Chief Executive Hisham Al-Kurdi put it, this investment product represents our commitment to offering our clients innovative solutions in an evolving financial landscape. With Bitcoin increasingly seen as a hedge against fiat currency devaluation, this fund solidifies Bahrain's leadership in the region's financial innovation space. With Bahrain already holding over 13,000 Bitcoin worth close to $844 million, this move positions them even further at the forefront of global Bitcoin investment. At number 4, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, stunned the audience at Brazil's Digital Assets Conference earlier this month with a powerful presentation on Bitcoin's future. Speaking to a room of industry leaders, BlackRock revealed that their Bitcoin ETF, launched just this year, has already amassed over $20 billion in just 5 months. The company, which manages a staggering $10.5 trillion in assets, has been at the forefront of integrating Bitcoin into institutional portfolios. BlackRock sees Bitcoin as a key hedge in an increasingly unpredictable world, calling it a global monetary alternative. The asset manager highlighted the rapid adoption of Bitcoin, comparing it to major technological revolutions such as the internet and cell phones. As BlackRock's head of iShares and investment strategy pointed out, we've only just begun. One striking quote from the presentation emphasized over 80% of millennial millionaires in the United States own crypto. If you're a financial advisor and you're not thinking about this, you're going to miss out. With Bitcoin's unmatched divisibility, seamless transferability, and fixed supply, BlackRock believes we are only at the start of what could be one of the most transformative financial shifts of our lifetime. And coming in at number 3, Lawrence Lepard made headlines on the Stephan Livera podcast by predicting that Bitcoin could reach a price of $350,000 in the next economic shakeup. With US debt soaring past $35 trillion, Lepard argued that Bitcoin is well positioned to outperform traditional assets like gold, especially as governments continue to rely on money printing to manage their fiscal crises. He referenced a US government deficit report that showed the monthly deficit at $380 billion, far surpassing expectations. As the debt spiral accelerates, central banks will likely resort to printing more money, devaluing fiat currencies in the process. Lepard's bold claim: Bitcoin will outperform gold massively in this next run, highlighting Bitcoin's role as sound money and a safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. Given Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins, Lepard believes it will continue to attract investors looking for a reliable store of value amid growing monetary debasement. At number 2, the UAE has made a game-changing announcement that further cements its position as a global leader in Bitcoin adoption. According to Bitcoin News, the UAE has not only invested over $2 billion into Bitcoin mining, but is now exempting all Bitcoin and crypto transactions from taxes. This move could make the UAE the world's top crypto hub, given its already high Bitcoin adoption rate, with estimates suggesting that 27 to 31% of UAE residents are invested in digital assets. In the past 12 months alone, the UAE has seen $35 billion in crypto transactions, with a staggering 67% of that volume coming from institutional investors. This latest tax exemption makes the UAE an even more attractive destination for Bitcoin investors and miners, furthering its influence on the global stage. The Dubai-based Hodler Investments has partnered with several firms to monetize wasted energy, like flared gas, to power AI-driven Bitcoin mining centers. With the MENA Bitcoin conference just around the corner, This region is fast becoming a major player in the Bitcoin ecosystem. And finally, at number 1, the new HBO documentary titled Money Electric: The Bitcoin Mystery has sparked a fresh wave of debate over the identity of Bitcoin's creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Directed by Cullen Hoback, the nearly 2-hour documentary concludes by suggesting that Peter Todd, an early Bitcoin developer, may actually be Nakamoto. Despite Todd quickly denying the claim on X, the film has reignited the long-standing mystery surrounding Nakamoto's identity. The documentary, which aired Tuesday on HBO, takes viewers through a globe-trotting investigation filled with interviews, clues, and debates about the elusive figure who created Bitcoin. Nakamoto's real identity has been a subject of speculation for over a decade, with estimates suggesting that Nakamoto may control as much as 1.1 million Bitcoin, worth roughly $68 billion. The film, much like its predecessor, Q Into the Storm, aims to stir controversy, and it's certainly done that within the Bitcoin community. While some remain skeptical, this renewed attention on Nakamoto's legacy continues to underscore the decentralized nature and intrigue that surround Bitcoin's origins. And that's a wrap on this week's top 5 trending Bitcoin news stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Edge 21 for your weekly dose of Bitcoin news. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, stay strong and hodl on.